Hello, space explorers. Welcome back to Discover with Momina, where we unravel the mysteries of the universe one story at a time. Have you ever wondered about the difference between an asteroid, a comet, a meteor, and a meteoroid? They might sound similar, but each has its own incredible tale that helps us understand the vastness of our solar system. Let's dive right in. Asteroids are like the leftover building blocks of our solar system, orbiting the Sun mostly in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. They come in all shapes and sizes, some as small as pebbles, others as massive as mountains, with the largest spanning up to 500 kilometers wide. Their jagged shapes, often resembling potatoes or uneven rocks, are made primarily of metal and stone. These fascinating objects are ancient relics from the time when the planets formed billions of years ago. Studying them gives us a glimpse into what the early solar system was like. Space missions, like NASA's Dawn and OSIRIS-REx, have even visited asteroids up close, revealing their secrets and the vital role they played in planet formation. Unlike asteroids, comets are icy wanderers that originate from the farthest regions of the solar system, such as the Kuiper Belt or the Oort cloud. These regions are so distant that sunlight barely touches them. Comets are made of ice, rock, and dust, and they range in size from just a few kilometers to over 60 kilometers in diameter. When a comet ventures close to the Sun, its ice heats up and turns into gas, creating a glowing halo and the iconic tail that can stretch millions of kilometers across the sky. Halley's Comet is one of the most famous examples, visiting Earth every 76 years. Comets have provided scientists with crucial insights, like the possibility that they brought water and organic molecules, key ingredients for life, to Earth. Meteoroids are much smaller pieces of space rock, often fragments of asteroids or comets floating through space. These tiny travelers can range in size from a grain of sand to a small boulder. When a meteoroid enters Earth's atmosphere, it burns up due to friction with the air, creating a spectacular streak of light known as a meteor, or, as we call it, a shooting star. If a piece of the meteor survives its fiery plunge and lands on Earth, it's called a meteorite. These space rocks are like postcards from the cosmos, helping scientists study the composition of asteroids, comets, and even other planets. Most meteoroids come from the asteroid belt, and meteor showers like the Perseids occur when Earth passes through the debris left by comets. These celestial objects may vary in size and composition, but they all have one thing in common. They're essential to understanding our universe. Asteroids and meteorites hold clues about the early solar system and the formation of planets. Comets may have delivered water and organic materials to Earth, sparking life as we know it. Together, these space wanderers connect us to the origins of our world and remind us how vast and interconnected the cosmos truly is. So, space explorers, now you know the difference between asteroids, comets, meteoroids, and meteors. Each one plays a unique role in shaping our solar system and even life on Earth. Thank you for joining me on this stellar journey with Discover with Momina. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating stories from the cosmos. And tell me in the comments, what would you name your own comet or asteroid if you discovered one? Until next time, keep exploring and keep wondering.